Let's say you're making a web map for a ski resort, and while handsome, the topographic base map just isn't screaming winter wonderland. Let's see what our options are. In the base map section, I'm going to choose human geography map. Now, if you don't see it in your list, just click Living Atlas and you can search for it. So I'll select human geography map, and here we go. It's a very simple map. Let's dig into this and see what we've... Wait a second, what is this button? Oh, change background color? Yes, don't mind if I do. All right, now it's been activated, and by default it's choosing white as its background color. I'm gonna change this to powder blue. Now, why am I not seeing anything? That's because my base map is covering up the background. That makes sense. I'll dig into human geography map. If I hide this, I can see what's going on. I've got a background color now. Here's my detail, which shows roads and water bodies, and labels, which show, they show labels. Now I want to add to this a sense of snowy terrain, mountains, even in northern Michigan. They aren't mountains, but they're hilly. So let's add a layer. I'm going to search for, in Living Atlas, hillshade. And I'll add this world hillshade tile set to my map. And I'll go back. Now, world hillshade is part of my base map. I can actually get rid of this base, which I don't need anymore. Hillshade is now all the base that I need. I'll select this, and you can see I can't see my background anymore, but check this out. I'm going to use a blend mode called luminosity. Luminosity will use the texture of my hillshade and inform it with the color of whatever's behind it. In this case, it's just that powder blue background. Now I have a powder blue snowfield for my ski resort's web map. I love it. What do we do about this lake? It's a gray lake. So I'll choose human geography detail. And again, I'll look in the blend modes and I'll choose lighter. Now everything that was there is effectively turned white. Roads are white, lakes are white, and just to balance this out, I'll choose this human geography label and I'll push this back to 50%. So those labels aren't shouting at us quite so much. Okay, let's close this and we'll see what we've got. Here is a pretty serviceable base map for a ski resort.